First of all, look how muddy it is. It has really rained in my area. Second of all, this is what you usually see in the price range that I've got the trailer for sale. This is a Shasta and it's vintage, so it is worth more. But this is about the condition, which is really nasty, of what you usually see older RVs in for this price range. Okay, we're going right now, and I'm going to show you the one you're interested in. Sorry, I don't feel too great today. This is what you're interested in. It's not perfect, and it needs work. It is the propane bottle I need to keep. It does not come with the propane bottle. As you can see, there is one cracked window right there, but it's flat glass. You get it at Lowe's. You replace the little pins or rubber pins, and it's easily replaceable. Needs new wood under the, see, it's kind of collapsing a little bit there. That's basically because it needs new wood right there. That's the water heater, I figure, or the heater, I don't know. But it looks good, but I have no clue how to make it work. Okay, outside, you need a little light there, a running light. Okay, this is the power cord. See the gauge on this? It's really thick. I have big hands. And this is the interior. You could see the PEX. Hopefully you can see it's the brand new PEX lines. I kind of want to keep these tires and hubcaps. But if you come and buy this before I change them out, they're yours. This is the back of the refrigerator. This refrigerator is $115 only, and it runs great. Right now I don't have the unit plugged in. After I do a walk around inside, I will plug it in and show you. As you can see, there's an AC outlet there. This is why I am not charging $2,500 for it. If you could look, I took this vent off. The screws are behind the refrigerator. You can see that the wood is pretty rotted in here. And so it needs at least a partial side rebuild on this. You can see somebody tried to use not plywood. I don't know what this is. And so this was a heating duct or something. And it needs to be put in before it moves. But what can I say? Here's the broken light. But the trailer lights do work. This is where they took off the old lights. And this is where the air conditioner unit goes. It does come with the spare tire. The jacks are mine. I need them for my other one. And this is the outside. If you look, this side's pretty good. Here is the specifications right there. Here's another one with the specifications. I hope this is bright enough because here, this molding needs to be put back on properly. The molding's still good. It just needs to be reattached. Somebody took whatever there was out. This is where the battery goes. This is a metal line battery box. So if you want to, you can make it back into 12 volt, but it's kind of not worth it. I like the fact that it's got skylights like that. Okay, we are going inside. It's a Freeway coach, 1971. We have a step. We're stepping up. Like I said, right now it's not plugged in, so I don't know what you can see. It looks pretty good without the sun. We have new fixtures all through here. This is the inside light switch. This is the outside light switch. It actually has a light out here. A porch light. There's storage under there. You probably can't see that. Stove needs cleaning, maybe painting. But I actually got it turned on and it did work. It had burners. It had flame coming out of the burners. Range hood. Storage. There's the electrical box over the sink. Still got the sink. Under here, you can see the PEX pipe back there, hopefully. Well, it's kind of dark. The drawers. Got a cutting board. The countertop could use to be replaced, but oh well. It does not have a table and chairs. You would just get a little table and put it right here. And either sit on the wheel well cover or remove the wheel well cover and put in table and chairs. There is no sign of leak that I can see. Okay, you have storage over the wheel well. And here is the shower. It's clean. Again, that has been like it has always been there, and it has not changed since the rain. I don't think you can see it, but there's a little sink here. I will go plug it in, and I will show it to you. There's no sign of any water in here whatsoever. It comes with a little heater. There's storage in here. And as you can see, this needs to be reframed and put some insulation in here probably. But it's just a little closet area. Okay, let me go ahead and stop now, and I will plug it in.